Welcome to RDL Law channel. 3 years LLB full syllabus. First year LLB first semester, second semester. Second year LLB third semester, fourth semester. Third year LLB fifth semester, sixth semester. First year LLB in detail syllabus. First semester, first legal and constitutional history, second family law 1, third law of contract, fourth law of crime. Optional subject 1 health and food law, second equity and trust law, fourth criminal psychology and criminal sociology, fourth agriculture marketing law, and fifth intellectual property right. Second semester first year LLB. First constitutional law 1, second family law 2, third law of contract 2, fourth tort and consumer protection law. Optional subject media and law, second banking and insurance law, third penology and victimology, fourth land acquisition law, and fifth intellectual property right. Second year LLB syllabus in detail. Third semester, first subject constitutional law, second subject property law and easement, third public international law, fourth practical training subject. Optional subject comparative constitution, second investment and security, third criminal minor act, fourth cooperative law, and fifth private international law. Second year LLB fourth semester, first subject labor and industrial law, second jurisprudence, third law of evidence, fourth practical training. Optional subject human right law and practice, second competition law, third vulnerable and disadvantaged groups and criminal law, fourth civil minor act, fifth international economic law. Third year LLB syllabus in detail. Fifth semester, first Code of Civil Procedure Code, second land law including selling and other laws, third interpretation of statutes, fourth legal writing, and fifth administrative law. Third year LLB sixth semester, first Code of Civil Procedure Code, second company law, third practical training, fourth drafting, pleading and convincing, fifth optional subject law of taxation, banking law including negotiable instrument act, third cooperative laws, fourth securities and investment laws. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.